That's all in it. Taring it in the Pebangile is a Macasu Shigi, the Taring until essential English grammar, Gilotin, Shibja Shakespeare, but the Tagi, Dinang Lolayang and Zucare, Shibja Shachik, the Shani do Tiwatidang Lapkiore, Dinang Lone, that Taring it Tiwatikar to be verb Tiwatika Kanditiwere, penetration. Is it? Yana? Am I? Yana? Are you? Like your Yana? Have you? Has you? Okay, sorry, has you have you? Has she? Like your Yana? Do they? Like your do did does digan tiwatidan lap gorda. Ta dambo ngonsu gi kecha positive shit to khati mbini ang khande thagre khaptu lagwa. Dambo subject chat tini helping verb. Benjashna you are eating chirang sade doa lechurwa. Ta tiwati to kare helping verb tingi lalap ani Chepapo subject di jela le ro pension are you eating la origina chirang khala sa di yupes ta digang la kisi helping verb ki ko chu parishina answer the it could either be yes or no ro ta digang la question word wh word je parishina what are you eating na khari sa di yule di ani len ring bo chag dwara di dos cha khati mbainia helping verb tingya la ligi pension a positive I am late la yodi thio origina am I late. That seat is free. This seat is free relative. Is this seat free? Helping verb tingya la leswa. She was angry. Mo dingya kondo sa de dus. Ani was she angry lana mo kondo sa de deves. Ya ani kisi WH shani. Why was she angry lana mo kharishi no kondo sa de res. David has gone. David dosares. Ani has David gone lana David doreves. Ani where has David gone lana David call doris. Ani WH the helping verb king la tangshuni go to go right? You have got a car. Chirang motor towas. Kisi motor yevelana. Have you got a car? Helping verb king la leswa have lani. They will be here soon. Kunju de la yokoli re la dusambola. Will they be here soon? La origina kunju de yokoli res yana. When will they be here? Lana kunju khadu ligir lana WH tik de nyela la godwara. Paula can swim. Paula chuge shingiris. That Paula chuge shingi revel in tiwatena can nyela love. Can Paula swim? Right? Be careful with word order. Right? That laptang de kandir lana. Kisi tiwa di yes no answer lena helping verb ni go chuga cha. Kisi ta kawa kante lani WH6 jile origina WH6 dinge lab ani helping verb lab ani chepa po lab ani verb khari mbainia. Penishna where has David gone lani helping verb chela WH6 dinge le swara ani dinde la marta ro where has gone David lani dinde chepa po last la yo rotus la marta. Are those people waiting for someone? Ro mitige good development right dela are waiting lani malawache are gijala khatu imbainia subject so imbadi liger right. When was the telephone invented? Telephone the khatu sure lejo rosatun khatu chere khabar de layer mado when was invented telephone ni dos la mar the drodang de khatu imbaine thambut kisi thiwa the yes no le imbaina helping verb ne go chu ani subject cha ani object khari imbainia kisi khatu khari khande la di imbaina WH khari ligi imbaiina che ani helping verb and subject and chala khari imbaina object de Tang ibat nang khar lagore do does did the present tense did the korani ki past tense do the correct subject the plural mangsi imbaina an nganjugi do lantire kisi subject the singular imbaina an nganjugi does cha korani ki past tense la did pension present simple nang la kharla do the I we you they nyamdola do I yamna do you live here chalandela digi best. Do I get to go to Delhi? Nga Delhi do I Do we have to work here? Nga Delhi lega chiwo yorube la disumbo. Does la dikarre he she it yana michiki mingi baina does. Does she work here? Modela lega chiwo yorubes. Does he live here? Kodela digi yorube la yodo. The past tense in baina chang manyam dola did round da. Did you work here? Kirandela lega chimbes. Did she live here? Modela derebe la yodo. That case the positive letter sentence joba the kaptu imbaina they work hard kunjokali gegres you watch television chirante mutta girawas ane Chris works hard Chris lewa chi kalepe gegres she gets up early mo ngau langares they worked hard kunjope kali jasus you had dinner chirang konda khala sign bus she got up early mo ngau langsus ta the kisa khashis tin penetration thangbo di paina simple present yipa simple present simple present shiba present ngapa thuba tumba di kharre do dige di simple past ta thiwa imba ina kisi simple present imba ina mi chik imba chikle mawa imba ina do chik imba ina does ra do they work hard kunzo kali jab rawe the helping verb tingela thi ani subject le swara question how often do you watch television how often la tingela thi ani helping verb television yinti mangle tag use does Chris work hard Chris kali jab rawe Chris michik ro chesan does what time does she get up mochi to khajole ya langare la the mo michik ro chesan does the helping the past tense ina condition yore did la ne past na le chawrajina kisi kesa khaptu indi ngonjugi main verb the helping past tense na thi dwara second form of verb nang lo la thiwa imba ina did thi chawrajina kyablo ki main verb the first form of verb present rang la share da did they work hard kunjo kale yes did they worked hard when eat yabna norgyor da what did you have for dinner kirang gonda khala khari sain la what did lanne sa have la what did you had lana norgorda she got up early monga bu langsus bela na what time chuto khadula langsu la what time did she get up did she got up la martro did she get up okay sometimes do is the main verb right sometimes nganjugi do la helping verb member che main verb ran chegris Penishna, what do you usually do at the weekends? Chira, weekend sanju la khari chigi use. What does your brother do? Chirangi, chocho khari chigi yoris. I broke my fingers last week. How did you do that? Nga nye dunda nang la nye zugu chas la du sambola condition in chas la jo okay. Ta thamasi dinang khari le do. Why isn't, why don't, why love negative do does sorry didn't doesn't don't isn't ain't aren't la negative why nyamdula negative shana khandishiris where's John kwadula why isn't he here isn't is not kodala kharichini yomaris why isn't why can Paula come to the meeting tomorrow Paula sangi meeting la kharichini le tumaris why can why didn't you phone me last night? Chirangala kharishin phone tang me lejo ra tuscha. Now the exercise chicken that tangbot nankala the right questions. I can swim la and you delata ning on the tiwa serta and ngala tiwa tsur dwara kira chugeshin yo beladi can you swim? I work hard and Jim kali jaguru eladi does Jim work hard? I was late this morning. Nga shopa chita sun. La suara ta tiwa di khati ore kiran chita suele di khandila ore was ki past tense di were gongmaso was ki past tense ni chi gongmaso you nyam de la past tense nang lo la khari lir la na were you late this morning tine I have got a key ngala di have read wa nga dimi yo la di and la key yor wa la di simbola and michig ro chezang has and got a key to the question mark. I will be here tomorrow. And you? Nga sangi dele yo. Chirang sangi dele yo pelai na will you be here tomorrow? I am going out this evening. Tari chiro nga chilo dwain le jura. And Paul chilo dwa re le duita. Will Paul be going out this evening to that? Tene? I like my job and you ngara lega go to ta kiran lega go to alera do you nyam the do lira do you like your job question mark I live near here and Linda nga del dio lera and Linda that this simple present in sang does Linda live here Linda del dio leisure ra tito kubachpal hingi so nang lu chenda that you're talking to a friend about driving. Mora tanga ki korla kirang rokwas nyam ke shede ro tanga zo de ngazo ki rokpatila mora tanga de teo ke teo da pen chisna have a car Yes, I have la da mola motor year la da have a car lady. Have you got a car? Motor year la mo year la da. Ye but la use a lot. Answer yes, nearly every day. That nima ta ko piju chigi year la da. Tiwa di kara kiran di nima ta ko piju chigi year la. Do you use it a lot? Tiwa. Use yesterday. Yes, to go to work. Tango piju chain. Kazan piju chain belaina. Did you, any first form of verb use? Did you use it yesterday? Didn't enjoy driving? Not very much. Go do you enjoy driving? Next, put the words in the right order. All the sentences are questioned. Kurim takta tier the penetration has gone where David lady, where has David gone? Kwadore ladwara. Working Rachel is today. Is Rachel working today? Rachel thari lagachi there, you're right. Tiwar dwara. Tangma tiwa swerda. The children, what are doing? What are the children doing? Next, mate is how cheese. How is cheese made? Cheese is. To the party, coming is your sister. Is your sister coming to the party? Next, one, the truth, tell. Don't why. Tadi condition ngi thamu supkin da shimba thangma. Machine shashan ne diksa ruat dal tishaw. Why don't you tell the truth? Next, your guest has yet arrived. Have yet arrived. Tadi condition have your guests arrived? Cha. Angi supkinda. Next, kepo kupo chupa dilenge so edito susu chainda. Last, complete the questions. Tiwa din su suerta ra dila lane tani tiwa suerta. I want to go out le dwara. Where do you want to go? Anne and Paul aren't going to the party. Why aren't they going? Condition grammars. I am reading a law de la rata dinanglola. What are you reading? Sue went to bed early. What time did she go to bed? Question mark. Ani, my parents are going on holiday. When are your parents going on holiday? Next, I met Tom a few days ago. Ani, where kawala ledre dwara daltiginda. Where have you meet Tom? Where have you met Tom? Where have you met Tom? Next. Tina has gone away. Tina padrosare. Where? Ani, where has Tina gone? Tina Doris. I can't come to the party. Why can you come to the party? I need some money. How much do you need? Dende sine tengi zuki chupa chupchik chungni di nangli sine mandu zila dus shagni.